Most people get this wrong. They think any credit builder app automatically improves their score fast. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all credit building tools work the same way. In this video, we are breaking down whether Self Credit Builder is actually worth it in 2026, in a simple, honest way so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start with what it actually is. The Self Credit Builder is not a normal credit card. It is more like a structured savings and credit reporting system combined. Now here's where it gets interesting. For someone like Alex who has zero credit history, Self can feel like a safe starting point, because it does not require a strong credit score to begin. But here's the problem most beginners do not realize. Self is not designed for fast spending or instant credit access. It is designed for slow, structured credit building over time. So let's break it down, step by step. First, how it works. You choose a monthly plan. You make fixed payments into a credit builder account. Those payments are reported to credit bureaus. Over time, this helps build credit history. But, unlike a credit card, you are not freely spending money. You are building payment history through structured deposits. Now, let's talk about the benefits. If Jake is starting from zero, Self can help him build a credit profile without needing approval for a traditional credit card. That is a big advantage for beginners or people rebuilding after financial setbacks. Now here's where it gets important. The speed of credit improvement depends entirely on consistency. Missing payments or closing the account early can reduce the effectiveness of the program. In a minute, I'll show you the exact usage strategy that makes Self Credit Builder actually effective instead of just another monthly bill. Now let's talk about cost and value. Self charges monthly payments depending on the plan you choose. There may also be small fees depending on your setup. So it is not free credit building. This is where most people make a mistake. They sign up without a plan and expect instant results. So is it worth it? If your goal is to build credit from scratch with no approval barriers, Self can be worth it. If your goal is fast credit card access or rewards, it is not the right tool. Let's make it simple. Self is a slow and steady credit builder. It works best for beginners who need structure, discipline, and reporting history, rather than spending power. Let's summarize everything clearly. Self Credit Builder in 2026 is worth it if you are starting from zero or rebuilding credit and want a structured system. It is not ideal if you want fast credit access or flexible spending. If this helped you understand Self Credit Builder better, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit building breakdowns like this.